Our planet is amazing, beautiful, mysterious, and unpredictable. We know so much about it, and so little at the same time. We can hold the entire globe in our hands, even if it's a globe, but it would take more than a lifetime to visit every corner of the Earth. In this video you will see the 10 most amazing and mysterious phenomena about our planet Earth. The Earth's poles are changing. We all know that the North Pole is above Alaska and the South Pole is within the polar plateau of Antarctica. But geographical and magnetic poles of the planet are not the same thing. Over the past 20 million years, the Earth's magnetic poles have changed every few 100,000 years, which means that if you had a compass in your hand 800,000 years ago, it would have determined north in Antarctica. Scientists don't fully understand what causes this polar acrobatics, but the process is gradual and has been going on for thousands of years. Right now, Earth's magnetic North Pole is moving toward the geographic north at a rate of 64 kilometers per year. The Moon is a really big satellite. The Moon is the fifth largest natural satellite of a planet in the solar system, but the ratio of its radius to that of Earth makes our satellite truly colossal. The only celestial pair to catch up with the Moon-Earth team is Pluto and its satellite Chiron. However, they are circling each other, so they are considered by scientists to be a dual planetary system. We are lucky that the Moon is so big and close. Otherwise, we would never have been able to see a total solar eclipse. The largest mammal migration is by air. The 1.3 million antelope that roam between Kenya and Tanzania is an impressive sight. But every year more than 10 million bats fly between the Democratic Republic of Congo and Zambia. This is the largest known mammal migration on Earth. There are giant mushrooms living in the ground. The largest living organisms on Earth are not blue whales, elephants, or coral reefs. They are mushrooms. In 1992, one of these giants, thick-legged oponok, was found in Michigan, USA. Its fungus covered 0.37 kilometers. Scientists studying the mysterious death of trees discovered that the culprit was an even more monstrous fungus, dark-colored oponok, whose mycelium covered an area of at least 8 kilometers. Some places on Earth are completely foreign. On the border of Ethiopia and Eritrea is the Danakil Depression. It is the hottest, driest, and one of the lowest places on the planet. During the year, the temperature here never drops below plus 34 degrees, and in summer it can reach plus 63 degrees. Boiling springs, poisonous gases, and lava lakes make Danakil a frankly inhospitable place, but even life exists here. The hydrothermal vents are home to ecosystems that astrobiologists now use as analogs in their search for life beyond Earth. One island boasts an underwater waterfall. If you look at Google Earth images or travelers' photos, you get the impression that the southwestern coast of the island of Mauritius is on the edge of an underwater waterfall. In fact, the impending abyss is just an illusion. Ocean currents carrying silt and sand create an amazing pattern on top of the relatively innocuous seafloor. Hidden beneath our feet are enormous treasure troves. At a depth of 300 meters beneath the Mexican town of Nica is the Crystal Cave, where giant, up to 11 meters long and 4 meters wide, selenite crystals grow. The cave was discovered only in 2000, when miners were digging a new tunnel for industrious penols. The temperature in the cave reaches plus 58 degrees, and it is almost completely flooded, so it is extremely difficult to explore. Another hidden treasure house is the largest cave in the world, Shandong, Vietnam. It remained hidden until 1991. Grass and tropical trees grow in it, and there is enough space to land a Boeing 747. We have living clouds. Sometimes at dusk, people notice dark clouds rapidly changing shape above the Earth. They may appear to be alive, and they really are. Formed by hundreds or thousands of starlings, the cloud is called a murmuration. Scientists suspect that the birds gather in these huge flocks as they seek shelter from predators. But how exactly they achieve such exquisite synchronization on the fly is still a mystery. The seas and oceans hide ancient grasslands. In the waters of the seas and oceans do live flowering plants. The most common among them are grasses of the genus Posidonia. They grow in large colonies, forming underwater meadows of incredible beauty. Posidonia is the longest living organism on our planet. DNA analysis of grasses from different sections of a meadow growing off the coast of Spain has shown that it can be as old as 20,000 years. There is a boiling river on Earth. Deep in the Amazon rainforest of Peru, there is a river whose water temperature reaches 98 degrees Celsius. National Geographic researcher Andres Ruzzo explored the river and repeatedly saw animals accidentally caught in it receive severe burns and die. The water in the river was not heated by volcanic activity or oil drilling, so the source of the geothermal energy is still a mystery to scientists. Do you want to know more about our mysterious and wonderful world? Subscribe to the channel and discover all the mysteries of our vast and unexplored world.